Dahil hindi pa rin tayo makapag-bike, samahan nyo na lang akong maglakwatsa dito malapit sa bike store namin. One of the local bike stores that we have here is called Bicycle Plus. They are open now pero hindi pa sila masyadong open totally. They limit 2 people at a time. Come here, check this place out. It's one of the best bike stores here. Eto na, okay daw kay John na mag-vlog tayo ng konti so I can share you kung ano meron siya. So ito yung bomb truck na I've been eyeing, steel frame with a SRAM rival. It's nice. It's a gravel bike. It's a large. It's 3,600. That's nice. Hook XT chromoly bike. Ito naman is Trek Crockett 5. Gravel bike din ito. Gravel bike is pwede na rin siyang cyclocross bike. Anybody knows that person? Si Emily Barry, our own national champion female rider, Emily Barry. World Cup, I think nag-champion na siya sa World Cup or nag-podium siya sa World Cup a few times at saka sa Olympic. Pero one thing for sure is she won the last Pan American World mountain biking. Ito, Trek mountain bike. NX super caliber mountain bike, 6,300. Ito naman is gravel bike Harley. It's ito ata yung isa sa mga mahal na bikes. Harley. Meron siyang SRAM rival or SRAM Force group set with SRAM 1 by SRAM Force. 5,700. Ito naman yung mga merchandise nila, mga apparel. Yeah, dito marami silang trek bikes. Yung kanina sa Bike Depot, they have specialized giant. Meron din silang Santa Cruz. Ito is a bump truck. That's another bump truck right there. This is a bump truck. This is a German brand. German brand. Ito mga Xiaomi. Ewan ko sa Philippines, sa atin kung gumagamit sila ng Xiaomi. Ito yung parang butter. Actually, it's actually butter. Parang lotion na ginagamit para sa, lalagay mo sa ilalim sa crouch mo para hindi mag-blister or hindi ano bang tawag doon, yung blister, yung singit-singit natin. Yung mga hindi rin pala madali itong mag-vlog ng ganito. Bago lang ako talaga dito kaya medyo hirap pa. Hope okay lang sa inyo. Hindi kayo magsawa. Apparel. I think ito ng mga sale ito. They have Trek Segra Predo. Nice shoes. Oh, they also have Orbea now. Ito is a 105 group set, 105 crank set, Pro logo, and it's 4,799. It's nice, and it's in size 51. Ito, Trek Imonda. Ito yung gusto ko, Trek Imonda. Actually, gusto ko lahat. Altegra group set. Hindi pa siya DI2. Ano lang siya, regular na grupo. Pero I like this. It's for that price. Gusto ko na yung price na yan. Here we have kids. Yeah, marami silang Trek dito. Doon sa kabila marami sila specialized. Dito more on Trek bikes. They also have different brands like Opus, ano pa ba, yun nga, Orbea. Ito mga e-bikes. Ito naman from Trek as well. It's really nice. Ito, fat bikes na e-bike. Dito it's a big thing itong mga e-bikes, fat bikes na to, kasi nga pwede mong gamitin sa snow at saka sa mga buhangin. So this is really nice, and it's 6,999, so it's basically 7,000. Ito naman, so Trek, another Trek e-bike. It's 5,999. 105 group set. It's Domane, Trek Domane. Ito naman is DT Swiss with Altegra group set. Actually FSA yung crank set niya is FSA, pero group set yung gear at saka yung brakes niya is Altegra brakes. Posibleng Shimano Altegra din itong mga disc brakes niya. So this is for 7,499. Ito naman another Parley bikes. Ito mga name brand itong mga Parley na to, with the DT Swiss hubs, gravel bike ito, with obviously disc brakes, Altegra group. Okay, waiting for Daya. Yeah, some of these bikes are actually dropped here for tune-ups. So this bike shop is not only they sell bikes, they also do services. Actually, this is where I come all the time. John, who is the owner, I help him move here. Very, very nice guy. Tapos yung aking mechanic is over there. Ito pa yung mga ano nila, mga apparels, mga accessories and stuff, mga bags. Madaming stock sila. Look, I think they just came in, or these are ready to be shipped. I'm sure mga sold out na tong mga to. Dadalhin lang nila dito, tapos they'll it's either customers come and pick them up or they ship it to customers. They do a good job here, you know, shipping things to customers or picking up their whatever that they buy from online. These two are actually titanium. One is titanium, which is Merlin, parang mga vintage na to. That's nice. Look at the XTR. I remember XTR when I was younger. I had well, I didn't have an XTR, pero yun ang mga pinapangarap namin nung bata kami. Tapos yung isa is Mariposa, which is I think it's Canadian made, vintage. Look at that, with Socks New Success. I think group set is called Socks. Whoever is more familiar with you know, vintage branded group set, I'm sure mayroong mga nakakaalam sa atin. Yeah. Kuya Kim may know it. Well, he is not my kuya. Ang tawag lang ata sa kanya is Kuya Kim. So they also carry Opus, and the one in the back is Swin. It's an old style bike, pero ano na natin niya, e-bikes na rin nata. And they have a nice trek. That is, I think, bibuild pa lang itong trek na to. Wala pa siyang parang customized. Yeah, wala pa siyang chain, wala pa siyang crankset. Upuan lang at saka manibela. And this one is trick. I'll show you. And this is where they do their bike fitting. See, I told you this bike store is, they have everything here. And also the owner, he knows a lot of things when it comes to bikes. That's where they do their bike fitting, state of the art. Ito, meron din silang parang reception area here, parang lounge. Well, not lounge, but habang iniintay mo yung bike mo pag nagpapaservice ka, when you come here for bike service, you can sit around here and wait, and while you wait, they give you free coffees right there. You can make your own coffee, or you can ask one of the guys to make one for you. And this is where they have another, I think, bike fitting. Well, no, not bike fitting, but yung virtual Swift virtual or Wahoo or kung ano man. Before the COVID thing, they have parang meron silang session here pagka winter. Meron silang what do you call this, yung parang nagpa-practice sila virtually with Swift before they open at I think before they open at 9 or 10. They have one in the morning and then one at night. And I don't know how it went, but they had a regular session here at least 2 or 3 times a week. So eto, ganyan lang yung mga bike shops dito, mga bike stores. You know, I'm sure sa meron pang sa downtown, meron ding mas malalaking bike stores. So pero ito yung pinakamalapit sa amin. Dito ako madalas. Like I said, they always do a great job, especially sa bikes ko. Sometimes they don't even charge me for little things. It's a really nice bike store. Okay, a big shout out to the owner, John here. Thank you for your time and allowing me to take some videos of your nice, beautiful bikes. I guess this is it. We're gonna end the vlog here, and I'll see you again. Please subscribe, like, share, comment down below. Ito yung talagang bike na matagal ko nang medyo pinapangarap. Hindi naman siya ganong mahal, pero pag wala kang pera, mahal na rin. It's a gravel bike. It's a German made pump truck, and it's tingin ko it's 3,600.